Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the most epic road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And what a better way to start the episode off than a car theft, or at least an attempted one. Check out how this thief failed. Impatient driver couldn't wait for an extra couple of seconds for another vehicle to move past him, so he cut him off and nearly caused an accident. Looks like just your another usual day. Nothing special going on, just a guy carrying his bags and walking around, when all of a sudden a police vehicle pulled him over and they detained him without even asking any questions and started checking his belongings. Check out this crazy situation. You just can't drive as you please on the road. There are road markings, traffic signs, traffic lights, and they all need to be obeyed. But some drivers, here and there, decide to do whatever they want.
Real humanitarian to the civilian.
Not everyone is paying attention at the road in front of them while driving. Like this driver that's about to appear in this clip. He was too busy texting and driving, and because of that, he nearly rear-ended the camera.
What the fuck you doing?
This rude and self-entitled biker used the shoulder of the road to move past everyone else in traffic, and he thought he could get away with it. But unfortunately, a karma cop pulled him over.
Not so lucky shoulder rider.
What?
If there is one thing we would recommend you, that would be not to change 2 lanes at the same time. This driver did it, and he nearly caused a heavy wreck.
Why on earth? What was he doing?
I have no idea.
Charlie's here, Maddie's here too. Hi. There've been a lot of those Bigfoot sightings since that last one where the dude just strolled along and sat down. Yeah. That one was a pretty good one. It was very clear. There have been several more since then. Charlie's got a new sighting. We never hear about this. We're so excited.
It's a unicorn. We don't hear about it because they're so rare.
Vowels weren't in it, so there must be certain letters what you think of make a word, what were left. So you've got like your U, it could have been you, you or I.
Driver in a Mini started changing lanes so casually, as if he was the only one on the road. He didn't bother looking at his side mirrors at all.
Hell!
You love me.
You need away from me.
Do you love me?
No, you stupid.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Code on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Simply learning by watching and observing the mistakes of others. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because we would really appreciate that. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.